Hey, I'm the Moonlight Ninja, and this is the motherfucking video game toy review. Yeah!
What's up, my naked ninja squad? It's the Moonlight Ninja here. We're back with another motherfucking video game toy review. And today, we're going to be doing the Halo Reach Jackal Skirmisher. I do have another one of these, but what I wanted to get a brand new one, and you know, a darker color, yeah. Anyway, let's have a look at this baby. Halo Reach, fuck yeah, he looks really nice in that box. Oh yeah. Let's turn him around. This is the other figures you can get. Oh yeah. Cat. Some elites. Jackal Skirmisher, what's that? Spartan CQC. Yeah, so here we go. Let's open this bad boy up and see what he looks like inside. So when it comes to articulation for this guy, basically his head moves up and down. It does spin all the way around. Very stiff though. Up and down. So arms move about there, go all the way around, it also moves here at the elbow, all the way around, and then up and down, and it moves again here at his base, I don't know, whatever this part is called, moves around there. His wrists also move all the way around and goes up and down. He moves at the... I guess he doesn't move at the waist. Well, why this come out? It's a little ball joint. That's the joint they have there. That was, not meant to happen. I'll fix that later. Anyway. It goes all the way around. And it moves up and down. It also moves here at this part of his leg. It would go all the way around if it wasn't for this bit. This bit. It goes in and out here at the knee. It also rotates all the way around. And then down here at the foot. It also goes all the way around. And yeah. So I'm gonna fix his leg up and do some size comparison. I feel like it should move at the... guess not. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna fix him up and I'm gonna do some size comparison. So here he is compared to my other jackals. So the Jackal Skirmisher is pretty much basically the same size as the other skirmisher. He is taller than the Halo 3 Jackal, and I'm pretty sure it's a little bit taller than the Halo 4 Storm Jackal. So yeah, that's all my jackals. These are pretty good. What are you looking at?